All right, we're live again for another day of another dollar. All right, today's Tuesday, July 22nd, 6:22 a.m. This is Tim Trades NASDAQ futures. We're doing Apex traded funding accounts. Use code TIM for the best discount. Let's see here. Like, comment, subscribe. I can see your comments. If you have any questions, put it in the comments. I got one like, all right. Let's see here. I need to log into my accounts. All right, let's see here. So I passed the 300K account yesterday. All right. So I think what we're gonna do here, let's see. Trying to figure out how many contracts to do for my new account. So if I trade 8 contracts times 20, $160 a point times 8 points, $1,200 a point, for $1,200 a trade. I have 15-point stop loss, $2,400. My trailing drawdown is 7,500 divided by 2,400. It's only 3 losing trades. Let's see. Let's just go for 3 points. I need $7,600 to pull out. All right, we'll just do a little base hit here today. Get our feet wet. So we'll do six contracts. $3 points. All right. Times at 2 minutes. So I trade 1 minute before the market. So not at 6:30, but 6:29 is when I have the indicator set for taking a trade. 3 points. Okay, good. 1 second. Okay, that's lined up. Log in here. So I'm just going to take scalp 3 points each. Each account, because I've already passed the evaluations. But if you're looking to pass the evaluation, if you're on a 50K account, if you do 10 contracts and you set your A-team strategy for 15 points take profit and 15 points stop loss, you could potentially pass the evaluation in one trade. Okay, 1 minute before we're green light to trade. It's a little tricky for me right now because I'm trading these two accounts. I'm executing one trade with my left hand and another trade with my right hand, so it's a little tricky. There is a 5-second delay. Trade at your own expense. Don't blame me if you blow your account. Good luck. So about 20 seconds before this thing potentially will put out some trade ideas. Ten seconds. Okay, looking for trades now. On the right hand side here. Okay, so if it goes below this 23, we're going short. 23,340.5, we're going short. If it goes above the 23.3, we're going long. So we have the market kind of cornered here. It's pretty tight. Looks like we might be going long. Okay, we're long.
Order filled.
And we're filled twice. Okay. Just looking for 3 points. Just need to pump up. Push up. We're in some drawdown. We're green.
Order filled.
Okay, and we're green on both those trades. If you're still pushing for 15 points, hopefully the market continues up. It's pulling back, not looking good. Just let it ride, let it do its thing. Hopefully it pushes up. The market just opened. Okay, bummer. All right, so if you got into that trade with a 15-point loss, looks like you would have lost the trade. Man, it just... Well, let's see here. So let's do a little back testing, see what it looks like. Man, the market sucks. Let's see. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like we made it rain today. Let's see here. So let's see. Let's see. All right, that's a bummer. Market is not playing fair today. Let's see. Go to one day and see what we're looking like here. So yesterday we had all-time highs. Today is pulling back. Thank you, Mark. You can walk it off. My lights are going out. Did someone just unplug my board? Did someone just unplug me? Sorry, I'm all hyped up on B vitamins here. All good in the hood. LOL. Did you take the full 10-point trade? Let's see here. Market's pulling back. How was was there a true 5-second delay, or what was the delay on your end, Danny boy? Oh, you only did 2 contracts. Okay, so you still have the account. Because that would have been a $600 pullback loss if you did do a 15-point stop loss. Oh, cool. All right. All right, you live to trade another day. That's good. Someone keeps unplugging my soundboard. The lights aren't charged. Let's see. All right. If you're looking for another trade this morning, market's going down clearly. There's kind of a flag pattern emerging here. What you could do is if it breaks this flag pattern and it continues down, you could look for a short. Okay, yes, I did win mine. Yeah, let's go back to mine. This channel's about me, so we'll talk about me. No, just kidding. Let's see here. Yes, so both trades were winners. I just scalped 3 points. So one account here was a $150 winner, and the other account was a $390 winner. Just took 3 points. If I just take 3 points for the 3K account, I need $7,600 in order to be able to take a payout. So 7,600 divided by 390. $19 days. Ooh. That's kind of a long, roughly 20 days. That's if I have a 100% win rate. 20 days to take a payout, which is a full month. Which, I mean, the long run, it's fine because it'll pretty soon start paying off after a month. But if the market starts moving better, I might try to take more than just 3 points a trade. Let's see what the volatility index is. Still at 18 for the VXN, which is the volatility index for the NASDAQ, similar to the VIX. The VIX is for the S&P. Vixen is for the... Oops. Yeah, so still a little low in the volatility index. Okay, and then just a little side note, with these little ATM strategies, I always do 0.25 at the end, because that'll cover like commissions and fees. It does make it, one tick higher that you have to hit, but like if you're looking for three points or 10 points or 15 points or whatever, if you do a 0.25 on the end, then you get your commissions and fees covered. A little fun fact for you there. All right, so that's market continues to go down, it looks like. Let's see. Let me log out of these accounts before I blow everything. Okay, going back over here, looks like, okay, so the market did continue down after it crossed this line. It did continue down. So if you're doing like the bear flag, bull flag strategy, not the opening strategy, and this is on the 1 minute chart, look for a good pullback, draw your line. And once it breaks that line, then you can zoom in to the 1 second. Here's the line. And then you can kind of start to look for, let's see, adjust the lines. Every time you go down in a time frame, you have to potentially readjust your lines. Kind of annoying. So this would have been the break. And then some pullbacks. Could have hit like, the very first pullback would be right here. Second pullback's here. Third, fourth, fifth. It's kind of funky. Shot down. Could look for another pullback here. Once you hit a higher high up here, I count 2 bars. 1, 2, and then look for the break of that second one. So then you could have gotten in right there and take, do 10 points, stop loss. It would have been a winner. That's kind of how that bear flag, bull flags work. They're pretty accurate, All right, let's see here. What's your ATM setup settings? Okay, did I already answer that? Did I answer that already or no? Did I answer that to your liking? Trying to look for some music to play. Oh, here we go. All good. I'm going for the long game. Yes, we do. Cool. All right. Sounds good. Long game, what does that mean? That means you're doing like longer trades, or you put on a contract and let it ride? Yeah, so with the ATM strategy, I can always do 2.25 to cover the tick. And depending on the contract size, I like to do a 15-point stop loss because you can always bring it up if you have time. But yeah. I mean, I'm just gonna take 1 trade a day. Okay. Cool. All right, sounds good. Market continues down. There's a dumping from the massive run up yesterday. It's like a mirror image of yesterday. Oh, it's kind of, the market's now coming back to yesterday's low. Or did yesterday even have a low? Yesterday's pre-market. So all the gains yesterday that were made in the market just got wiped out overnight and we're at the open today. It's pullback day, I guess. All right. P&L today was okay. So in one account, the 50K account, $130, which puts me at 52,843. Let's see. Last month plus days 22nd. So all-time 43.68 on the 50K account total since I started trading this account actually on June 9th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks ago. 92% win rate. Still only 2 losers. Pretty good. Pretty good. As you can see, the last trades here, it's been doing $130 is 3 points. Scalpers, just to stay consistent. If I just do those little trades, then every 8 days I can take out close to $1,000. All my trades happen right here at market open. It's kind of interesting. It shows 6 a.m. for this one trade. Don't think I did trade at 6 a.m. Most of my trades are closer to 6:30 a.m. So that's the 50K account. I need, I'm already past the threshold to have another payout price-wise, but I believe I know that I need to trade another couple days. I can actually confirm that real quick on my off screen here. If I go to request payout, yeah, not eligible yet. Showing, okay, yeah. So my last payout was July 11th. That was my last request for a payout. It takes me a couple days to actually get it. So July 11th was my last request. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that means after tomorrow, I'll be able to take another payout. So tomorrow, end of tomorrow, I can request another payout for roughly $1,000 if I have a winner, if I don't blow it. So that's with this account. And then with the 50K or the 300K account, because I passed the evaluation yesterday, it reset the total back to 300,000. So today was the first day trading on that live account for $371. So if you combine the two accounts, 71 plus 130, $500. Made a nice little extra $500 today. Yeah, if I play the long game here and just scalp 3 points, it's gonna take me a month before I get a payout on this, but would still be worth it in the long run if I'm able to skim a consistent $500 a day with the 2 accounts. Need to figure out how to link the 2 together. I know there's C Trader is an application where you can link your accounts together to copy trade them without breaking any Apex rules. Tradovate does have a copy trader possibility where I can link the 2 different accounts. So I think I have to trade the same number of contracts per account, I think. Unless I can figure out how to, because I think this is with 6 contracts. Yeah, number of contracts, 6. 6 in this account. Expectancy. That's a pretty high expectancy. I don't fully understand what the expectancy, like what. That was just like the average expected amount per trade, maybe? I don't know. It was close to my total P&L. Alrighty then. All right, let's see here. So yeah, so if I just how many? Okay, 390. 390. Yeah, I guess you can just text me. It's quicker than the chat. But it does help the channel to do the chat, but that's cool. Thanks for your chat. Thanks for your chat. I don't think I made any updates to the trading strategy. Let me... I renamed it from what it originally was. Here's what the settings look like. Swing detection, look back 14, slope 0, slope calculation method, the lin reg. I'm assuming that stands for regular, linear regular. Exit type is fixed. Take profit, stop loss. I've been just scalping the 3 points, but that's because I'm funded. If you be more aggressive, if you take like 10 points, but let's see what that will look like. We can back test that. This is only if it's risk to reward, so these don't matter. Time, I did 6:29 a.m., so 1 minute before the market, and then 7:30 on the end minute. Huh. That's weird. Well, that's weird. You don't have the time of day settings, or what? I can resend this one over to you. Contract 2. Market continues down. That's it? That's it? That's weird. You can't scroll down to... Okay, so that means you're... No data. Oh, that's on that day, that's why. Give it 1 second. So you're not getting any, yours cuts off at this, at the exit type. You don't even have the exit type. Interesting. Alrighty then. Yeah, I'll try to re-email you some updated versions. Yeah, you see, even with this strategy here, it's really not good. The market's going sideways with this strategy. I was hoping it was going to start pushing up again. Like, you know, we had this wonky bunch of wonky here. I was hoping for a continuation. Profit. That's a bummer. Let's see. All right. Alrighty then. Yeah, those are pulled. So if you do the strat for 3 points, these pullbacks are pretty big. Someone keeps unplugging me. lights that don't poop out. Jeez, at least even plugged in the wall. Alrighty then. Let's see here. What I can do is pull this over here. Go here and here. Here, dear. Weird. Let's see. All right. So what I can do is I'll go back to where I get the go back to where I got the code. Market continues down. We got a little double bottom here. Maybe that maybe a sign of a reversal. All right. So yeah, I converted the Tradingview strategy to a JavaScript. I just haven't been able to get it to generate signals on Tradovate itself also. Looking back here at Okay, I'll send you a couple different names. That may or may not be it. Okay, just emailed you, Danny boy. Let's see here. Nice. That is pretty sweet. Okay, I'll also send you, if you're going to take a look and make it work with Tradingview, you can either convert the code yourself, or I can give you what I got. I just emailed you another version. And then I'm sending you the JavaScript. I got. Don't know if it's good or not. I'm going to send you another of the Tradovate indicator, just to make sure I send you the right one. Python sample. Okay, let's see. Look. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Hopefully the next one I send you will be it. Okay, just sent you last trading view indicator. Should be it. Noiceness. All right, everybody. This has been Today Another Dollar with Tim. I'm going to end the broadcast now. All right, be back tomorrow, 6:20-ish. And we'll go from there. Peace. Thanks for tuning in, Danny boy. Let me know if you have any other questions. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.